Hi everyone, Zach Weinert here for cgboost.com, and we are back with our monthly 3D art challenge, this time with the exciting topic World in a Bottle. Before we begin, at the end of the video you will see the 10 best submissions of the last abandoned space station challenge. Okay, how to join the challenge. In a nutshell, you have 3 weeks time to create and submit a 3D still render that fits the topic, created with a 3D tool of your choice. Then you get the chance to win some cool prizes, but more importantly, you can improve your 3D skills and create an artwork for your portfolio. The judging team will pick 3 main winners and 2 honorable mentions, which will receive some cool prizes, which they can choose from a big prize pool. We are also running a challenge raffle for everyone that submits a final render that gets accepted. There you get the chance to win either 1 copy of our Blender Launchpad course or 1 copy of our Substance Painter Launchpad course without even winning the challenge. For everyone with a potato computer, Fox Render Farm is offering free render credits for everyone that joins in. So this is your chance to use their service to render out your submission for this challenge here. Yeah, and if you need some feedback for your work in progress renders before you submit them, we have a special section in our CG Boost community where you can post your work in progress renders, and the CG Boost team and the other members of the community are there to help and give feedback. And I would really take this opportunity to get some feedback from other people, which can make a big difference in your final artwork. To join the challenge, simply click the link down below in the video description, read the rules carefully and get started. Don't miss this great opportunity to level up your 3D skills. Having a given topic, a deadline and a group of people joining this event can really help you to finish up your next artwork. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing your tiny worlds inside of bottles. Yeah, and if you want to see all the 203 submissions and the winners of the last abandoned space station challenge, check the links down below in the video description. And now enjoy the 10 best artworks of the last abandoned space station challenge, which received the most votes from our judges. Enjoy!